how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, watching the videos and completing your work from the video. So children, watch the videos regularly and complete your work. Children, once again I welcome you all to class 3 computers. In the previous video we were doing chapter 7, that is logo. So children, we had started the chapter and today we are going to do the remaining part of the chapter. Let us start chapter 7. So children, here is chapter 7. Let's start logo. Children, in this chapter we were reading about logo. Logo is a programming language in which commands are given by the help of keyboard. So children, till now we were using mouse to give the command or to use any program or the software, but in this programming language we will be using keyboard. We will be giving commands using the keyboard. So children, what is this logo? Logo, L for language, as you can see here. Yesterday also we studied L for language, O for off, G for graphic and O for oriented. Logo stands for language of graphic oriented. Logo is a programming language that is used to draw figures, calculate numbers and print words by giving simple commands with the help of keyboard. You can draw different shapes, figures on the computer screen with the help of logo. That is why children, this program is called graphic oriented. As we can draw shapes and figure, it is known as graphic oriented. So children, logo is a program in which we can make figure, we can make shapes and we can calculate numbers. तो हम shapes भी बना सकते हैं, हम figures भी बना सकते हैं और simple calculation कर सकते हैं. So it is a program using which we can draw shapes, figures and do simple calculation, and we can do all these things by giving the command with the help of keyboard. Now logo turtle. What is this logo turtle? So children, here you can see a figure just like a triangle. It is a triangle in which is known as turtle, and logo uses turtle to draw figure and line on screen. So children, this turtle is just like a cursor और पॉइंटर. जैसे हम स्क्रीन पे पॉइंटर को यूज़ करते हैं या फिर हम किसी दूसरे प्रोग्राम में अभी तक हमने कर्सर देखा था नोटपैड में, वर्ड पैड में, तो इसी तरह से ये हमारा टर्टल होता है. यूजिंग दिस वी कैन ड्रॉ फिगर्स और शेप्स ऑल्सो. टर्टल लुक्स like a little triangle on the logo screen. It works like a pen to draw figures and lines on logo. The pointed end of the turtle is called head. So children, if you can see the shape of this triangle, there is a pointed end and this pointed end is called head. Pointed end को हम head कहते हैं. This part is called head and this broad part is called tail. जो broad part है उसको हम tail कहते हैं. Turtle can move right, left, backward and forward. Means it can move in all the 4 direction. आगे पीछे लेफ्ट राइट ये सब तरफ को घूम सकता है. On our commands or instructions, when we give commands or instructions with the help of keyboard, it moves in all the 4 directions. Now children, starting logo. How to start logo? This also we had understood. Children, same as other programs, we can start logo also. You can start logo program by following these steps. Start your computer to open Windows desktop. Click on the start button. Click on the start button. Click on the start button. Click on all program and click on MSW logo. Same as children, we for starting any program we go to start button. So firstly we'll click on start button, and then from the start button, when we click on start button, we get a menu. In the menu, at the bottom of the menu we have all program. We click on all program and then there is another menu. From there we click on MSW logo. When we click on MSW logo, we get a screen, and this screen is is somewhat like this. So this screen is somewhat that is displayed on the screen. So children, if you look at the screen carefully, you can see the whole screen of logo is divided into two parts. The whole screen of the logo is divided into two parts. So upper part is, children, main screen. This is called main screen, and it is used to draw the figure. We use this screen to draw the figure, means whatever we give command from this area, from here, commander window, it after giving command we get the figure of a drawing here. We get the figure of a drawing here on the main screen. Now children, there is another part in the commander window. So commander, mainly the whole screen is divided into two. One is commander window and the other one is main screen. So this is main screen and this is commander window. Now if you talk about commander window, children, commander window is once again divided into two parts. Commander window is once again divided into two parts. ये जो commander window है एक बार फिर दो parts में divided है, and these two parts are known as recall list. इसको हम recall list कहते हैं. ये है recall list box and ये है command input box. इसे हम recall list box कहते हैं और इसको हम command input box कहते हैं. As you can see in the picture, the logo screen is divided into two main parts, main screen and the commander window. And further children, this commander window is divided into recall list and command input box. So there are three parts in this. अब एक सबसे पहले screen two parts में divided है. First part is called main screen, second part is called commander window, and this commander window is further divided into two, that is recall list and the command input box. तो mainly हम command input करते हैं from the command input box. ये जो नीचे narrow line है यहाँ पे हम command को input कहते हैं and it gets recorded in this area. ये जो जितना भी command है इसमें ये पूरा command record होता है. It gets recorded in this area, and after the set of command is completed for a particular figure, a figure is drawn in this part of the window, और figure उसके बाद ये जो हमारा part है इस part में बन जाता है. Suppose we are drawing a rectangle, हम कमांड यहाँ से देते हैं, ये यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड होता है और जब सारा कमांड पूरा हो जाता है, एंटर करते हैं, तो वी गेट अ फिगर ओवर हियर. सो द होल प्रोसेस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री पार्ट्स, मेन स्क्रीन, कमांडर विंडो एंड लास्ट में जो हमारे पास है वो है आपका कमांड इनपुट एरिया. तो ये है कमांड इनपुट एरिया. नाउ so this is how the window of logo looks. Now after that children, what are the purpose of these windows? So children, if you can see here, as you can see in the picture, the logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and the commander window. Main screen, it is the graphic area of the window where the figure are drawn. इसे हम ग्राफिक एरिया कहते हैं, जहाँ पे जो भी हम कमांड देते हैं, जिस भी पिक्चर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए या फिगर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए, वो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की जाती है. दैट वी कैन ड्रॉ हियर. सो कमांडर विंडो, दिस एरिया ऑफ द विंडो इज यूज्ड टू राइट द कमांड्स दैट विल ड्रॉ शेप्स एंड फिगर्स. द कमांडर विंडो इज अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू, रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स और कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स. अब जो रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स होती है, इसको यूज़ करके वी कैन वॉट एवर इज़ रिटन इन द कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स इज़ रिकॉर्डेड इन द रिकॉर्ड लिस्ट बॉक्स. और वो तब तक रिकॉर्ड होती है जब तक कि एक फिगर के लिए कंप्लीट या हम एंटर नहीं प्रेस करते या ओके नहीं करते, और उसके बाद हम पूरा एक फिगर के लिए सारे कमांड्स पूरे हो जाते हैं. क्योंकि हम नीचे से तो एक एक लाइन हम टाइप करते हैं, ऊपर जा कर के वो रिकॉर्ड होता जाता है. जब पूरा फिगर के कमांड्स पूरे हो जाते हैं, सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम बन जाता है, तब ये पूरा एक शेप में और फिगर में ऊपर जा कर के ड्रॉ हो जाता है. सो home of the turtle, this is all about the window. So this is how a window of a logo looks, and in this manner we use it. So children, the whole part is divided into 3. Firstly main screen, उसके नीचे कमांडर विंडो, उसके बाद उस जो कमांडर एरिया है या विंडो है, जो हमारा कमांडर विंडो है उसके अंदर हमारे पास 2 और पार्ट है जिसे हम कहते हैं रिकॉल लिस्ट बॉक्स एंड कमांड इनपुट बॉक्स, होम ऑफ द टर्टल. Now whenever you start logo children, you can see that turtle is in the middle of the screen. Whenever you start a window, this turtle is at the middle of the program, middle of the screen. This is the starting position of the turtle, same as the cursor children. We start doing the work from the cursor point. Similarly ये जो हमारा turtle होता है, it is the starting point of any drawing or the figure. जो भी drawing और figure हम draw करते हैं उसका ये starting point होता है. And the blank area where the turtle moves is called the field of the turtle. ये जहाँ जहाँ जिस जिस एरिया में move करता है इसको हम field of the turtle कहते हैं. ये पूरे स्क्रीन में जहाँ जहाँ ये मूव कर सकता है उसे हम field of the turtle कहते हैं. Now existing logo, you can exit logo in 2 ways. You can exit logo in 2 ways. So children, we had started the program, we have learned how to start a program, and we have understood the window also. We had understood the complete window of logo also. Now we have completed our work and we want to shut down the logo program or logo window. So children, for shutting down, firstly we can go either from the file, as we know menu में बार पे first topmost bar of the window is title bar. सबसे ऊपर title bar है. Just below the title bar there is a menu bar. यहाँ पे एक menu bar है. Menu bar में first option is file. सबसे पहला option जो है file है. File में हमारे पास last में we have new, same as other files, other programs also children, we have new. और फिर उसके बाद हम एक बार इसको थोड़ा और बड़ा करके देखते हैं. We have new, हमारे पास new है. And then we have load, save, save as, edit, erase and exit. So if you want to exit from the window, you can exit from the file also. आप file में जा कर के भी exit कर सकते हो. Then after that children, this is the first way how you can exit from the program. Click on the file menu. In the menu bar, file menu will appear. Click on exit. सबसे पहले हम फाइल पे जाकर के मेन्यू बार में फाइल पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे हम क्लिक करेंगे और उसके बाद क्लिक करने के बाद हम फाइल में से एग्जिट पे जाएंगे. एग्जिट पे जाके जब हम क्लिक करेंगे तो वी विल एग्जिट फ्रॉम द प्रोग्राम. और अनदर वे ऑफ एग्जिटिंग फ्रॉम दिस प्रोग्राम इज चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन टाइप BYE बाई. आप यहाँ पे अगर बाय BYE बाई टाइप करते हो इस एरिया में, दिस इज कमांड इनपुट एरिया में, यू कैन टाइप बाय. आप अगर टाइप करते हो बाय BYE बाय, यू विल एग्जिट फ्रॉम द लोगो. आप लोगो से और उसके बाद एंटर प्रेस करते हो, यू विल एग्जिट फ्रॉम द लोगो. सो दीज आर द 2 वेज हाउ यू कैन एग्जिट फ्रॉम द लोगो. तो these are the 2 ways how you can exit from the logo window. So children, this is all for logo. In this chapter we have studied all about the logo, how to start logo. We have studied how to what all are there in the, what all elements are there in the logo window, and then we have also learned how to exit from the logo. Now children, our next topic is self evaluation. So children, through the chapter we have learned and understood all about the logo window. After reading the chapter, I know these points. I know that logo stands for language of graphic oriented. I know that logo is a programming language. I fully know that logo screen is divided into 2 parts, main screen and commander window. So children, firstly, as you can see, after reading the chapter, these are the following points which we have learned and understood. I hope you all have understood. So let us find out whether we agree with these points or not. If we agree with these points, we will put a tick under agree. If you don't disagree, you will put a cross under disagree. Now children, you will put a tick under disagree. So children, first point, I know that logo stands for language of graphic oriented. तो यहाँ पे जो logo program है, it stands for graphic oriented. अब L for language, O for of, G for graphic, O for oriented. I know that logo is a programming language. Yes, logo is a programming language in which we give commands with the help of keyboard. This also we agree, we have learnt in the chapter. I fully know that logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and the commander window. Logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. So logo window is divided into two parts. First part is called main screen and second part is called commander window. We agree with this point also. Then I know that commander window is used to write commands. So commander window में हम commands को लिखते हैं and commander window is further divided into two parts. As we know, commander window is further divided into two parts. First part is called is used to मतलब whatever we give command from the command enter box is it gets recorded or listed in the above box. So children, here I know that a triangle on the I know that a commander window is used to write command. I know that triangle is on the middle of the main screen and it is called turtle. So the triangle is just like a cursor which is used to draw the figure. Using the triangle we can draw the figure, and this triangle which is shown at the middle of the screen is called turtle. इसको हम turtle कहते हैं. So next is I know that the middle of the logo screen is home of the turtle. I know that the middle of the logo screen is called home of the turtle. The place where this turtle is placed at the middle of the window, this part of the window is called home of the turtle. हम इसे home of the turtle कहते हैं. So in this way children, these are the points which we have studied and understood from the chapter. So once again let us revise. So children, logo stands for language of graphic oriented. Logo का मतलब होता है language for graphic oriented. It is known as graphic oriented because using this language we can draw we can draw pictures and shapes. Then logo is a programming language. It is a language which is used to make programs. प्रोग्राम बनाने के लिए हम इस लैंग्वेज का यूज़ करते हैं, इसलिए हम इसको प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कहते हैं. I fully know that logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and commander screen. I fully know that logo screen is divided into the two parts, main screen and commander window, and commander window is further divided into children. As we can see here, the commander window is further divided into recall list box and the command input box. Recall list box का मतलब होता है कि जब हम command देते हैं command list input box से, when we give command with the help of command input box, the commands get recorded here one by one. The commands get recorded here, and after the commands are complete, we get a figure in the main screen. हमें मेन स्क्रीन में एक फिगर जिसके लिए हम प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे थे वो बन करके हमारे सामने आ जाता है. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज चिल्ड्रन, आई नो दैट कमांडर विंडो इज यूज्ड टू टाइप द कमांड. तो कमांडर विंडो इज द पार्ट ऑफ द विंडो वेयर वी कैन टाइप द कमांड. आई नो दैट अ ट्राइंगल ऑन द मिडल ऑफ द मेन स्क्रीन इज कॉल्ड टर्टल. there is a triangle in the middle of the main screen is called turtle. I know that the middle of the logo screen is known as home of the turtle. जो middle, there is a square box in which there is a small triangle. That triangle is called turtle and that part of the screen is called home of the turtle. उस part को हम home of the turtle कहते हैं. So children, in this way we have completed the chapter. We have gone through the chapter. We have revised self-evaluation also, and we agree with all the points which are given in this self-evaluation. So these were the points which we had studied and understood from the chapter. Now children, go through the chapter, try to understand the words given in the chapter, and if still there is problem, you face problem to understand the problem, you can clear your doubt in the online class. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.